Have you ever wondered how we can use our Facebook, Twitter, Microsoft and Google accounts to sign up for other accounts across different apps? Maybe, have you thought how Google or Alexa can get the weather information?
In Docklands it's 11 degrees and cloudy.
Through the use of APIs, all of these integrations and others have become part of our daily lives. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and it allows the seamless integration between services, systems, and apps, as well as a wide range of functionalities that we frequently use in the digital era. Although the concept of APIs and all their tools can be complex, I would like to simplify it for you and demonstrate how you can use and benefit from them. Personally, I believe that APIs have revolutionized the way that we build products and apps, as well as how we can integrate various systems and functionalities to provide a better user experience. A classical example is to imagine APIs as waiters in a restaurant. When you place an order, the waiter takes it to the kitchen and brings your requested items back to you. APIs work similarly, fetching the information that you need, like your full name, your date of birth, when you sign up for an account, use your Facebook credentials. The beauty of APIs lies in their ability to let different layers of technology to communicate with each other. Picture a phone call you make to request something specific. The person on the other side knows exactly what you want and responds accordingly. That's how APIs function, enabling smooth communication between different network layers. Before jumping into the project itself, I have a little trick for you. Imagine a Venn diagram with your interests on one side and the skill you want to learn on the other. The sweet spot is where these interests intersect, allowing you to learn the new skill you want while incorporating your passions. So, don't hesitate to find side projects that align with your interests and help you to learn a new skill. That's what I aim for when I'm keen to learn 2 different skills in the shortest amount of time as possible. Keeping these in mind, one of the challenges that I face in my adult life, it is to keep in contact with these areas or subjects of interest that are not related to my professional career. As we get older, it becomes more difficult to find time to learn everything that we want. Therefore, we must prioritize. I've always been fascinated by history, specifically modern history, because I believe that in order to understand what is happening now, in the present, we must learn what has happened in the past. I decided to revisit my coding, historian, and API skills for this project. I won't go into detail about the code, but it will be available on my GitHub. Let's dive into some real-life examples. Imagine you want to display a map on your website or app. Instead of building a map from the scratch, you can leverage Google Maps APIs. I only needed to code the basic HTML layout, the website title, and the subtitle for this website. I used Google Maps APIs to get the map and other functions to add the pins to the countries. Now, let's take a step further. Imagine you want to enrich your product by providing historical information about different countries. I used OpenAI APIs to request historical information from the country clicked on the map and the century that the user has entered in the dialog to add the history layer to the map. As a result, the OpenAI returns a brief summary of what has happened to that country during that time period. The code for this project is actually pretty simple. I just needed to pass my API keys to OpenAI so they could identify my account. Then I could specify which model I wanted to use and the prompt that I wanted to ask the model. For example, I could ask the model to get me a summary of this country X for century Y. The response from the model then be displayed on the website, enriching the user experience with historical insights. In my view, APIs are a game changer. They allow us to leverage existing functionalities and tap into vast resources without reinventing the wheel. By integrating APIs, you can reduce development time, effort, and even learn how to use systems more efficiently. You don't have to be a developer or entrepreneur to use APIs. There are no code connectors, such as Zapier, that help you to easily connect your day-to-day apps. You can automate tasks like extract information from your email and pushing it to your to-do list. You can save your favorite codes on Kindle and pushing them to Notion, for example. Or you can just add new commands to your Google Home or Alexa. Explore and embrace their power, as well as the endless possibilities they offer. Thank you.
No worries, I'm here to help.